Welcome to Credit Card Debt Payoff Strategies 2026. If you're stressed about mounting credit card bills, you are in the right place. We're breaking down the top strategies for the modern financial landscape. Let's start with a hard-hitting hook on the scale of the debt problem in 2026. Imagine this, a $10,000 credit card debt growing by $2,000 a year just in interest. That's the reality with today's high APRs. But 37% of Americans are aiming to crush their debt in 2026. We're giving you proven strategies to pay off fast, without resorting to drastic measures like bankruptcy. Watch now to claim your financial freedom. It's important to understand the challenge. Why do minimum payments fail so many people? Hey, your USA Money Guide here. The average household credit card debt is hitting about $7,000, often at crushing 24% APRs. With minimum payments, you're barely touching the principal, and most people get stuck in the debt cycle forever. Today, we're covering the top 2026 strategies designed to save you thousands in interest, giving you a real shot at financial recovery. Let's jump right into Strategy 1, the Debt Avalanche, which is focused on maximizing your savings. With the Debt Avalanche, you pay minimums on all your cards, but any extra money you have goes entirely toward the card with the highest APR first. For example, on a $10,000 total debt, with an extra $300 a month, the Avalanche clears it in 28 months, saving you over $1,200 in interest versus paying randomly. Apps like undebt.it can track this for free. Next is Strategy 2, the Debt Snowball, which is all about building momentum and motivation. The Debt Snowball also involves paying minimums everywhere, but the extra cash goes to the card with the smallest balance first. You clear that small debt quickly, which gives you a motivational win, a concept popularized by Dave Ramsey. While it might take slightly longer, perhaps 32 months in our $10,000 example, the psychological boost often keeps people consistent. For 2026, pair this with a solid budgeting app to maximize your efficiency. Strategy 3 is the interest hack, the 0% balance transfer. This strategy involves moving your high-interest debt to a new credit card that offers a 0% introductory APR, often for 18 to 21 months, like the Citi Simplicity card. Be aware there's typically a 3 to 5% transfer fee. With a $10,000 transfer, if you pay $450 a month, you're done in 22 months with zero interest paid on the balance. Check Credit Karma for approval odds, aiming for a 700+ score. USA Alert. The fees are sometimes tax deductible. Consult a tax pro. Finally, Strategy 4, for those needing professional help, debt consolidation and debt management plans. This involves consolidating your $10,000 into a personal loan, perhaps at 10–15% APR, or using a debt management plan to negotiate rates down to 5 to 9%. This could mean a manageable $350 a month over 36 months. A huge tip: avoid debt settlement firms. While tempting, they severely hurt your credit score by 100+ points and can result in high fees or lawsuits. If you're a homeowner, consider a HELOC at better rates. Now that you know the 4 strategies, let's look at the critical mistakes you need to avoid. Skip these common pitfalls. Only paying minimums will double your debt in 10 years. Also, avoid new spending on cards you've paid off. This completely defeats the purpose of your hard work. And as mentioned, avoid shady settlement firms. They can charge up to 60% in fees and bring lawsuits. If you need a psych hack, literally freeze your credit cards in a block of ice.